Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Yeah, we haven't covered it here on YouTube for a while, but yeah, I mean, it's turned into a bit of a lower quality chart, obviously due to the possibly only three-wave move to the upside that formed here from the November low and topped at the December high at around 77 cents. So the problem is just that I cannot trust this pattern at all, and it would not surprise me if the price breaks below the 35-cent level, which is the 78.6 retracement there, located here as wave, at the lower boundary line of the wave 2 support. I can still call it potential wave 1. I mean, the pullback does look corrective, which is the only reason why I am tracking it still as a scenario that could lead to an upside breakout. But for now, I don't see any evidence that a low is in, okay? But the pullback is corrective, which means we've seen three waves down. So it could be W, X, Y, and then the Y wave is an A, B, C structure. Other ways to count that might be possible. Bottom line is there is absolutely no sign that a low is in. Next support is at 35.3 cents. Any sustained break below that would clearly shift the probabilities towards one more low. How would that look like? I can show you on the larger time frame. Certainly the question will be then, will Polygon be able to form a substantial low before Bitcoin puts a major top in place? Because if Bitcoin puts a major top in place, I don't think that Polygon will rally, right, without Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, yellow here, this count is obviously, the white count is questionable. Could say WXY structure, and then, yeah, might be a 1-2 setup. I mean, the potential is there. The price landed in the middle of a long-term support area between 18 cents and 35 cents, but we haven't seen any substantial breakout from there. And the rally is not impulsive. I mean, that's the problem. But again, it could be a wave 1. But it's an ABC structure, so we can't trust it, and it would mean that the third wave would be an ABC structure as well, and the fifth wave as well. So this entire move up would be a so-called diagonal structure, which is not a problem. It's just something to be aware of, and we have to be aware that we have to be flexible about this structure. And I would not be surprised if we form another low, then probably in wave 5 of C, of a still unfolding fourth wave, which could find support around the 18-cent mark. So let's go back to the shorter time frame. What are the levels that now need to be broken to the upside? You might hear the dog in the background. To indicate that a low of sorts is in place. First of all, I don't have a clear or reliable micro count here. Okay, I have to say that. I mean, I could even say maybe the B wave top tier. That's just A and then B and then C here. That's possible. And then this would be the actual C wave decline. Might make more sense like that, but either way, we're just waiting for a first signal. I mean, it's still printing lower lows and lower highs. So there is absolutely no sign that a lasting low is in place. I'd say minimally, I would want to see a break above the 26th of January high. That's located here at 44.8 cents. That's important. So I could draw, let's say, a breakout line here, highlight it in green. I mean, this is essentially the level that needs to be broken for a first indication that a low of sorts is in place. There would not be substantial confirmation or anything. It is the first indication. And then we will need to look at the structure, but this looks more like a three-wave move up from the low as well. So I cannot confirm yet that a low is in. It's just not enough. We haven't even printed about a higher high or anything, or higher low. So patience is required. This is the area, though, where the bulls would need to turn up. Okay, one more low can always happen, and there is still plenty of support in that area here, all the way down to 35 cents. But I mean, the lower it goes, the higher the probability of a break as well, right? And then when the support area breaks, risk of invalidation will go high. So trend is still down, but we are observing the very clearly defined parameters for a possible breakout, and we check if support is holding. So important question is, do the bulls turn up before the price breaks below the 35-cent level? That's really the main question. Yeah, that's the update about MATIC. No, not MATIC. It was MATIC. Polygon. Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.